You ever hear of that survival rule of threes? It's like you can go 3 days without food, 3 weeks without air, 3 minutes without water, something like that. But anyway, what made me think of it is this cool piece of camping gear I got. I want to show you. Here we go. So this little kit comes with this little bowl, comes with a little mug, comes with a folding fork, knife, and a spoon. Comes with a little burner and a stand for your fuel canister. Snaps right in there. This is a boiling pot. It's got a heat exchange ring down here for maximum efficiency, and it helps keep it windproof. This is your little fuel valve here. These come out. It's got a little ignition right down here. Set your pot on there, and this thing will boil a liter of water in 4 minutes, I think, give or take. It's a perfect set for camping, hiking, or survival. Click the link down here and check it out.